Well, it's a pretty serious topic if it is affecting you. ED, it affects an estimated half of men between the ages of 40 and 70. It's nothing to be ashamed about, and actually something that you can get up off the couch and do something about. And our next guest can help you.
No question about it. Andrew Reinhardt joining us now from Boost Medical Clinic. How are you, my friend?
Hey, I am doing well. Thanks for having me, guys.
It's great to have you. You know,
Sure.
ED, and they call him Mr. Ed. No guy likes talking about ED. It's something that makes us feel really uncomfortable. That said, there's no reason to not talk about it and to not address it because the technology has come so far. Boost Medical Clinic, you have a breakthrough treatment for ED that could have things reversed, pill-less and surgery-less in a matter of days.
Yes, that's exactly right. And I think that the reason ED has been so tough to treat is because the treatments that have existed for the last 30 years have had side effects. The pills, they cause the headaches and the blurred vision. Needles, heaven forbid, that kind of goes without explaining. There are a lot of negatives. Now we have breakthrough technology. Boost Medical Clinic uses the most advanced form of something called acoustic wave therapy. It delivers pressure acoustic waves into the blood vessels and causes them to expand and regrow. That's called neovascularization, by the way. And it means that we can get the blood flow going where you want it, when you want it, restore normal function in the bedroom like your younger years, and do it without any pills or any side effects.
Wow.
Yeah, that's right. And you're talking about this increased blood flow, but what that translates to in terms of an experience is this opportunity to have spontaneity again, to have things kind of happen like they maybe used to or happen like they ideally happen. There's nothing that like kills the vibe of like, hang on a second, this isn't working.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. Let me go take a pill or do an injection. Spontaneity is so key. The stress of having to pre plan with medication, guys can really relate to this. And the significant others sometimes don't understand all that goes into that. The man is concealing it and trying to time things perfectly, trying to skip meals so that the pills work better.
Yeah.
And he ends up with nothing but side effects. As far as I know, our technology is the only thing to treat the root cause of the problem and get the spontaneity back so you don't have to use any type of medication or hormone.
I don't want to make a
By the
gross.
way,
Oh yeah, go ahead.
can I just interject really quick, Sean? I was just going to say, guys, don't try to hide it. We already know what's going on.
Yeah.
So it's better just to be forthcoming with it. Go
And
ahead,
I
Sean.
think JJ might back me up as well. I want to have a gross generalization for all men, but I think a lot of us, we try to avoid going to the doctor to address things that we know are wrong. For whatever reason, psychology wise, I'm not sure, but it's like if the doctor doesn't tell us anything's wrong, then we can just pretend this doesn't exist. That said, is that why guys don't come in to be able to take care of this or no?
Definitely. Men do not want to go to the doctor. They don't want to ask for directions, and much less the ED doctor. But let me tell you this, I hate to be a fear-mongering type of person. I have never seen ED cure itself if you don't do something like this. I've never seen it heal itself. So you have to take action in order to get a result because it's probably not going to go away, guys.
Yeah. And, you know, Andrew, the thing is, this isn't the first treatment for ED, but there are major advantages to this one, such as there's no scalpel, there's no needle involved. What is some of the feedback that you're getting on the treatment?
Yes, we hear excellent feedback every day. We have treated thousands of patients, not just in Nevada, but all over the country from age 20 to age 90. And almost all of them say, I wish I would have done this sooner. I've been taking the pill for years. It's not working all that great. And now I get natural blood flow. So the thought of coming into the ED clinic is much worse than actually doing it. And guys and their significant others are so relieved.
Absolutely. Not to mention, it's just so easy to the point where in a couple of weeks it's all done that I'm sure that pretty much everyone that's come in is wishing that they did it months and months and if not years prior. Let's talk about a special offer. Get guys off the couch. Get guys finally saying, you know what, I'm going to call the doc. We're going to take care of this. How you doing that? Tell us about the special.
Yes, if you or your man are struggling with erectile dysfunction, call us now. There is so much for free in this offer. We will do the assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound to test those blood vessels, all free. Plus, we'll throw in a little special gift that couples really love. It produces instant results in the bedroom. It's free to everybody that calls now.
Thank you, Andrew.
Thank you.
All right. It's great having you. If you want to learn more and get the ball rolling, how about you go to boostmedicalclinic.com. You could also call their number, 702-710-5000. Boost Medical Clinic, a proud sponsor of The Morning Blend.